Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing a full backup so you can recover if anything goes wrong. Next, power down and install the SSD physically. Open case, seat NVMe or mount SATA, connect power/data. Once connected, boot into BIOS/UEFI and enable OSI for best performance and avoid driver issues. Now decide whether you'll clone your current drive or perform a fresh OS install. Cloning is faster, fresh install is cleaner. Proceed immediately to create a recovery USB while the new drive remains connected. If cloning, run your chosen tool and pick the correct source and target drives. Make sure partitions are aligned to 1 MB or 2048 sector boundaries to avoid performance loss. Once clone starts, monitor for errors and verify that the boot partition and EFI entries were copied. For a fresh install, boot the USB installer, delete existing target partitions on the SSD, and install to the unallocated space. Then let Windows create proper partitions. After the OS is on the SSD, install chipset, and once the OS is on the SSD, reboot and set the new drive as the first boot device in BIOS/UEFI, then save and restart to confirm a clean boot. After booting, run disk management to ensure only the SSD has system flags and disable the old drive to avoid accidental boots. Make sure trim is active and perform a benchmark or smart check to validate health. If you encounter boot problems, use the recovery USB to repair the bootloader, reseat the drive, or reset BIOS settings. Those steps fix most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.